Hello guys! In today's video I'm going to show you how to do these simple yet beautiful roses. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. To make this video as short as possible, I already did 2 coats of black gel polish, and here you see me wiping off the tacky layer. I will zoom you in just a second so you can see better what I'm doing, but first I want to explain the process. If you want to know what products I used, they will be all listed in the description box below, but you can do this design with any cat eye gel polish that you own and mix as many colors as you like. You can even make multicolored roses. The process is a bit time consuming, but very simple. As you can see, I am painting one rose petal at a time, starting from the center of the rose, then using a magnet to get the cat eye effect, and then I'm immediately flash curing it for 10 seconds in my LED lamp. That way, we will set the design in place, and if you make a mistake, you can simply wipe it away with some alcohol and start again without disturbing the work you've already done. So basically, all you need to do is paint one petal, use magnet, flash cure, and repeat as many times as you wish until you get the desired result. You can make just one accent rose or entire nail full of roses like in this tutorial. For painting petals, I recommend using a small detailer brush. Always leave a small gap between petals and gradually make them larger as you progress. When painting the petals, use the smallest amount of gel polish possible so you don't make the nail thick and bulky at the end. One more tip. If you want all the roses to be nicely visible from the front, to get the best result, always have the center of the nail directly facing you when you use the magnet. That is crucial, especially when painting roses on the sides of the nail, because otherwise it can happen that you see the rose from the side view, but because of the cat eye effect it disappears when you turn the hand and look at the nail from the front side. You can see, after I finish painting each petal, no matter what part of nail I'm painting on, that I always turn the nail to face me before using the magnet. Of course, for the clarity of this tutorial, I was constantly turning the nail around while painting, but obviously, if you're going to paint this design on a client, you'll have to move and change angles instead. After the last petal, give the nail a full cure. And now comes the best part. After finishing all the roses, use thick top coat to fill in the empty spaces between roses, and only then you'll be able to see how they really turned out. To finish, use non-wipe top coat and cure one last time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. And if you want to see more of my designs and tutorials, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.